CNC Nesting: How professional furniture factories reduce material waste and increase productivity. If you've ever walked through a modern furniture factory, you've probably noticed something remarkable. Large CNC routers cutting dozens of cabinet parts from a single sheet of plywood or MDF with almost no wasted material. At first glance, it may seem like magic. But behind this incredible efficiency is a technology called CNC nesting. Today, CNC nesting has become one of the most important manufacturing methods in the woodworking industry. It helps companies reduce material waste, lower production costs, improve accuracy, and dramatically increase productivity. In this video, we'll explore how CNC nesting works, why it has become essential for professional furniture manufacturing, and why every serious woodworking business should understand this technology. Chapter 1: What is CNC nesting? CNC nesting is the process of arranging multiple parts on a sheet of material in the most efficient way possible. Instead of placing parts randomly, specialized software calculates the best possible layout. Its goal is simple: use as much of the sheet as possible while leaving the smallest amount of waste. The better the nesting layout, the lower the material costs. For companies processing hundreds of sheets every month, even small improvements can save thousands of dollars each year. How does CNC nesting work? Everything starts inside the design software. After the furniture has been designed, the software automatically places every component onto the material sheet. The program calculates spacing, grain direction when required, cutting order, drilling operations, and machining paths. Once everything has been optimized, the CNC router begins cutting. The entire process is fully automated and extremely accurate. Why is nesting so important? Material is one of the biggest expenses in furniture manufacturing. Every unused section of plywood or MDF represents money that cannot be recovered. Nesting software helps reduce these losses by arranging parts far more efficiently than manual planning ever could. Less waste means lower costs. Lower costs mean higher profits. It's that simple. Materials used in CNC nesting. CNC nesting is commonly used with melamine particle board, MDF, plywood, solid wood panels, high-density fiberboard, plastic sheets, and composite materials. Because these materials are supplied in flat sheets, they are ideal for nesting technology. Advantages of CNC nesting: the advantages are significant. Material waste is reduced. Production becomes faster. Every part is produced with consistent precision. Labor requirements decrease. Manufacturing costs become more predictable. Most importantly, productivity increases without sacrificing quality. For professional workshops, these benefits quickly justify the investment. The importance of vacuum tables. A vacuum table is one of the key components of a nesting machine. Instead of mechanical clamps, powerful vacuum pumps hold the entire sheet firmly in place. This allows the router to cut freely across the whole surface without interference. The result is faster machining, greater precision, and improved safety. Without a reliable vacuum table, modern nesting would not be possible. Nesting software. The software is the real brain behind every nesting machine. Programs such as Cabinet Vision, AlphaCam, Fusion 360, Aspire, and other CAD/CAM solutions automatically optimize the layout of every project. Some systems even calculate the most economical cutting strategy while taking into account grain direction, labels, drilling operations, and production priorities. Modern software can often save more material than an experienced operator working manually. Are there any disadvantages? Like every advanced technology, CNC nesting also has some challenges. The initial investment is higher. Operators require proper training. Production planning becomes more important. And software must be configured correctly to achieve the best results. However, for companies producing furniture every day, these disadvantages are usually outweighed by the long-term savings. Who should use CNC nesting? CNC nesting is ideal for custom furniture manufacturers, kitchen cabinet companies, wardrobe manufacturers, office furniture producers, panel processing businesses, and industrial furniture factories. Any company working with sheet materials can benefit from nesting technology. The future of CNC nesting. As software becomes more intelligent, nesting systems continue to evolve. Artificial intelligence is already helping optimize layouts automatically. Modern factories combine nesting with automatic tool changers, barcode systems, robotic loading, digital production management, and fully automated manufacturing lines. The future of woodworking is becoming increasingly automated. And CNC nesting is at the center of that transformation. Final thoughts. CNC nesting has completely changed the way modern furniture is manufactured. By optimizing every sheet of material, companies reduce waste, lower production costs, and increase productivity. Whether you're running a small custom workshop or a large industrial factory, understanding nesting technology can help you work smarter, produce more efficiently, and remain competitive in an increasingly demanding market.